You're right. You want to see something cool?
Yeah. What?
Hey guys, Cody with Eastwood. Today, we're checking out some new welding helmets. We've got 3 here on the table. One's pretty similar to what you're used to, but 2 are pretty unique. We're gonna run through them, tell you why we brought these in, why they're different, and why you're gonna be ready for an upgrade to your welding helmet. So let's kick this off with the Rockwood M3700. So this is a 3,700 square millimeter viewing window, entry-level welding helmet. Super light, you can wear it all day, your neck's not gonna get tired at all, but it's still got all the features you need. It's got basic headgear, it'll adjust to your head size. It's got 9 through 13 shade darkness. So what does that shade mean? So shade 9 to 13 means you have the full range you need for almost all of your automotive and basic fabrication welding. 13 is what you're gonna run when you're approaching that 200 amp, especially when you're TIG welding, you need to run your helmet dark. Now shade 9, if you're MIG welding sheet metal, you have a tough time seeing your arc and seeing that line where you wanna place your next weld. That lower shade is gonna give you the visibility to do that. It's got a grind function. The nice thing is when you go to grind, you click it back, you're not starting all the way down at the bottom like most helmets. You actually start back at shade 13. So if you're switching back and forth, you're not making this full swap and full range. It'll hold your cheater lenses, and it's just a great helmet to keep as a backup or spare, or if you're just getting started welding, this is the one to buy. But it doesn't have all the features you might be looking for. It doesn't go past shade 13. It doesn't have some of the lower shades, say if you're doing some oxy-fuel welding or you're doing plasma cutting. Let's talk about our next helmet, the Eastwood W9400. And this helmet is feature-packed. The W stands for the wide view. When you look at most large and extra large view helmets, they have a vertical orientation that gives you great visibility top to bottom. Awesome if you're working just at a bench and you want to see more of your bench. But this wide view is really nice when you're doing automotive work. You can get some of that peripheral vision without having to buy a full panoramic helmet and deal with the weight of a panoramic helmet. This thing has a ton of features. Really nice 12-way adjustable headgear. It'll darken up to shade 15, which is awesome if you're doing really high amperage welding. It'll do all of those lower shades as well. And it's got automatic shade functions. So if you set your helmet somewhere where you like it, you can see what you're doing, but you feel safe and protected, it will automatically get darker if you start welding hotter and heavier materials. Pretty cool, right? Like I said, this Eastwood W9400 is hard to beat when it comes to all the features you can pack in a welding helmet like this. If you're looking for something even better, even more, you gotta have the best, the latest, the greatest, and you want a panoramic welding helmet? Well, check out this Vista Arc. It's got a light. Now this Eastwood EliteVista Arc panoramic welding helmet has all the features you could be looking for. And it doesn't go up to shade 15, it only goes up to shade 14. But it's got the side windows, it's got 6 arc sensors, it's got the integrated LED light, it's got the same 12-way adjustable headgear, and it's got the same auto-darkening and auto-adjusting features. Pretty hard to beat. Panoramic welding helmets aren't for everybody. If you don't want a panoramic helmet, you want to save the weight, save your neck, stick with the W9400. But if you need to be able to see out the side of your welding helmet, say you spend a bunch of time welding under a car, doing exhaust work, this Vista Arc is going to be the one to get. So those are our new helmets. My personal favorite is this Eastwood EliteVista Arc, but the W9400 or even this Rockwood helmet, they're going to be great for you. If you want more information, check out the technical specs, see the pricing, head over to eastwood.com.